Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Road signs names in English. Ahead only. Turn left ahead. Turn left. Minimum speed. Maximum speed. Stop. No waiting. No stopping. No entry. Roundabout. No motor vehicles. No cycling. No left turn. No U-turn. No overtaking. No blowing of horn. Two-way traffic ahead. A road narrows on both sides. Hump. Uneven road. Slippery road. Wild animals. Roundabout ahead. Crossroads ahead. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Bend to right. Double bend. Fall in the rocks. School crossing. Road work. Give way. Traffic signs ahead. Give priority to vehicles from opposite direction. Parking lot. One-way traffic. Dead end street. Priority over oncoming vehicles. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching and bye for now.